Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. You must be thinking that why am I so glammed? Yes, because today's video is all about festive look. It's so interesting and there are a lot of people who requested for this video, so I thought why not to give you one of the videos wherein I'm wearing the whole jewelry and everything and it looks superb. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe right now and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time my video goes up. And yes, let me not forget to tell you that the lenses that I'm wearing right now are super gorgeous. They are in the color green and they are by Olens. This is the one that I'm wearing right now. This is Russian velvet and their lenses are super comfortable. I have plenty of colors with them and this is their new color which I am in love with. If you want to learn how did I create this look, keep on watching. I have already moisturized my skin and now it's time for primer. I am using the First Aid Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. This primer is so good for dry skin. I'm going to apply it all over my face and my neck. And now to create that nice glow all over my face, I'm using the Huda Beauty Nymph Body Highlighter in Luna. I'm using the brushes from Glasm. And I'm going to apply this with a foundation brush all over my face. This Huda highlighter dries up really quick, so you have to be really fast while applying it. Now by using a damp beauty blender, I am just going to set it on my face. Since I'm creating a heavy festive look, I need to color correct first, and for that I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Orange under my eyes and around my nose, little around my lips as well. I will blend it using the same damp beauty blender. For my foundation today, I'm using Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Stick Foundation in the shade Y335. This is one of the foundation that stays intact all throughout the day, but yes, I feel that it's a little drying for my skin. So what I do is I spray skin hydrating mist on my brush and then I blend the foundation using the foundation brush. This technique makes my foundation look a little more dewy and doesn't make it look very heavy. For my concealer, I am taking Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in Natural Beige. And I'm going to apply it under my eyes, on the nose, center of the forehead, my cupid and my chin. And now I'm going to blend this using the foundation brush. This is the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation Stick in the shade Walnut and I'm going to contour my face with this. For the highlight, I am taking Urban Decay Skin Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer in medium light. I always like to keep my inner area very bright, so I'm going to apply it here and blend it using a damp beauty blender. Festive look is never complete without adding that glow. So to add that glow, I'm using Iconic Illuminator in Original. I am going to apply it on all the high points of my face. And now set my face with the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder. This powder is so good for dry skin. It is my latest obsession. I'm going to set only the areas where I feel that I can crease or can get a little oily. For the highlighter today, I'm using the Saleha Give Me Glow in the shade Hollywood Gold. This highlighter is so good for Indian skin and it is so glowy. I am adding MAC Sweets for my sweet extra dimension blush on my cheeks. I'm done with my face. Now we come to eyes. I have done my eyebrows off the camera. And now for my eyes, I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I'm using the subtle pink color as a transition color, and now by using the high-res brushes, because I love how brushes for the perfect eye look. I'm using this brush and I'm applying the subtle pink color as my transition color. And now by taking these two bright pink colors, I am going to work exactly in my crease line, and I let it join my inner corner as well. Now for that gold color, I am using the Huda Beauty Nude palette, and I'm taking this gold, this foiled gold color, and I'm applying it all over my eye. Starting from the center, and then working in the inner corner, and lastly in the outer corner. Now by using a buffing brush, I am going to buff those pink color again so that the gold and the pink marries together. I'm using the same Saleha Beauty highlighter on my brow bone and my inner corner as well. To create that perfect wing, I am using the Kiko Lasting Gel Eyeliner in the shade Black. And by using a MAC brush, I am creating that perfect winged liner. As a kohl, I'm applying MAC Eye Kohl in the shade Teddy. It's a nice soft brown bronze sort of a color and looks beautiful in the rim of the eye. And by taking those two bright pink colors, I'm going to work very close to the lower lash line. For the mascara, I'm using Kiko Extra Sculpt Waterproof Mascara on the upper and lower lashes. It's time for my lips now, and I am using the Kiko Everlasting Color Procession Lip Liner in the shade 406. And I'll fill my lips with this gorgeous lip color from Smashbox, always on liquid lipstick in the shade Baja Bound. I'm not very comfortable with very bright colors. You can keep it as it is, but If you are one of those who doesn't like very bright colors, then you can always mute this color by adding Sugar Pill Liquid Lip Color in the shade Trinket. And I'll finish off the look by using MAC Skin Hydrating Mist. So I am back after wearing my tika, and this is the final look which is right in front of you. I hope you would have enjoyed the tutorial, and in case you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. I love you all, stay blessed and keep watching.